The nation's aging infrastructure will continue to require the expertise of welders to help rebuild bridges, highways, and buildings in the U.S. The welding program here at SouthernTech provides students with a strong introductory foundation to welding skills. Students will explore what it takes to cut and weld metal, including how to perform shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, and oxy-fuel cutting. Students who successfully complete the program will be able to perform fillet and groove welds in all positions using 5 different electrodes, 3 modes of transfer, and self-shielded and gas-shielded wire. During this 10-month program, students learn welding and shop safety and are introduced to welding symbols, blueprints, and industry mathematics. Students also have the opportunity to become state-certified welders. Check out the welding program here at SouthernTech, where education empowers you.